Students, today let us find exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, fourth one. In the last class we discussed how to zeros of the polynomial, and we discussed whether given the x value is zero of given polynomial or not. We check out. Okay. Now let us see how to find zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, so 0 means for what value of x the given polynomial becomes 0. F of x equal to x plus 2. For what value of x this f of x value becomes 0. First indirect method, we are taking this polynomial value 0, then we are finding x value. Let us see here. Let f of x equal to 0. What is f of x? X plus 2 equal to 0. So transpose plus 2 right side, 0 minus 2. X equal to 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 is 0 of the given polynomial. So if you find, you can check this is correct answer or not by substituting in the f value. Substitute in the polynomial. F of x, f of minus 2, x minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So by substituting x equal minus 2, we got 0. So this x equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 is 0 of f of x. Okay? Are you getting how to find zeros? Now, let us take another one. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. So, same method. What are the steps? First, assume let f of x equal to 0. That is 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, we need to find x value. So we find out x value. That means we are solving x is on left side, x other than x term is plus 3, transpose plus 3 to right side. So 2x equal to 0 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Now 2x equal to 0 minus 3. What is 0 minus 3? Minus 3. So we find the x value. The x coefficient should be 1. Here what is x coefficient? 2. Transpose 2 to RHS. So that is x equal to 2 here multiplying. 2 multiplying. If 2 transposes to RHS, 2 divides. So that is minus 3 by 2. So this is the x 0 of polynomial. Now here see f of x equal to px. So p is not 0. P is any number, real number. So same method. Let f of x equal to 0. What is f of x? Px. Px equals 0. P is not 0 number. So transpose p right side. 0 by p. So p is not a 0. 0 by something? 0. So x equals 0 is 0 of polynomial f of x. So another one, f of x equal to px plus q. Same, p not equal 0. Assume f of x equal to 0. That is px plus q equal to 0. So here we find x value. So this is x term. This is another term, constant. Transpose plus q to right side. That is px equal to 0 minus q. Px equal to minus q. Now p here multiplying. So p into x. Transpose p also right side. That is x equal to minus q by p. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Like that we can find zeros of linear polynomial. Sometimes we can find zeros of quadratic polynomials also. Let us see another problem. See fifth problem. Okay. Here, if 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find the value of a. Here we are not, here what is asked? Find the value of a. What is given? 2 is 0 of the polynomial. So, what is the meaning of 0 of the polynomial? 2 is 0 of polynomial p of x equal to 2x minus 3x plus 7. So, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Means p of, then 2 is 0 means if you substitute 2 in the polynomial, this polynomial value becomes 0. That is p of 2 equal to 0. 2 is 0 means if you substitute 2 in the given polynomial, that polynomial value becomes 0. That is, if you write x value in the polynomial, that polynomial value becomes 0. P of 2 is 0. So, let us substitute p of 2. P of 2 means write x value 2. Write x equal to 2. 2x square, 2 into 2 whole square, minus 3x, 3 into 2, plus 7a equal to 0. So, here 2 into 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. That is 4. Minus 3 2s are 6. Plus 7a equal to 0. 2 4s are 8. Minus 6. Plus 7a equal to 0. 8 minus 6, 2. Plus 7a equal to 0. We find out a value. Now, transpose this 2 to RHS. 7a equal to 0 minus 2. That is minus 2. A equal to transpose 7 also to RHS. That is minus 2 by 7. 2 multiplying that transposes to RHS, that divides. So, this is the way of finding when 0 of the polynomial is given. Unknown value we are finding. A, we don't know unknown a value. So, we are finding a value. See the next problem. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x, then find the value of a. What is given? X equals 0 and 1 are zeros of polynomial p of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay. So, what is given? X equals 0 and 1 are zeros of this polynomial. Then, x equals 0 is a 0 of the polynomial means, then f of 0 equal to 0 and f of 1 equal 0. 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. So, by substituting x value 0, this polynomial value becomes 0. F of 0 equals 0. F of 1 equals 0. What is f of 0? How can you find f of 0? Substitute 0. 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b equals 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus b equal to 0. That is 0 minus 0 plus b means b equal to 0. Next, take f of 1 equal to 0. F of 1. How can you find f of 1? Substitute x equal to 1. Substitute x value 1 here. 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. 1 cube is 1 multiplied 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 square, 1. 1 into 3, 3. Plus a plus b equals 0. So, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Here, subtracting. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger. 3 has symbol minus. Right? Minus. Subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Plus a. plus b value 0 equal to 0. Transpose this minus 1 to RHS. A plus 0 A equal to 0 plus 1. Transposing minus 1 to RHS, that becomes plus 1. So A equal to 1. A equal 1, B equal 0. Okay na? Students, we completed second exercise. See, I explained the fifth one, sixth one. In the fourth bit also I explained 3 or 4 problems. I explained the third one also. All problems I explained from that 2.2 exercise. I leave some problems. You have to do that problems, and solved problems are also there. 5 solved problems are there. Solve this fourth example and fifth example. Okay na students? Tomorrow let us know about dividing polynomials. So dividing polynomials. So before that you learn general division. Okay na students? Thank you.